This video will show some of the options you have with an individual exercise in Mogy. Here I already have one day of a program created for ease of example. So if we go into an individual exercise, here we have a clean with the default 1 kg or 2.2 pounds. Leaving it like this tells the user to put in whatever they can do for the given reps. So if this person was supposed to do 3 reps, then they would just put in whatever weight they perform for 3. As a trainee or athlete gets more advanced, you might want to start assigning them certain weights. In that case, using kilograms or pounds, you can assign any weight that you want them to do. And on their end, they will simply just see the weight that they're supposed to perform and can check it off or change it. And using the system, it's instantly translated from pounds to kilograms, so you can see what your athlete's doing. Another option is a % of the current estimated max. So if I wanted this person to perform 3 reps of a clean with 80% of their max, I would be able to view the weight by clicking on details, and I can see what the last max they performed was, or the estimate based on their heaviest set, and what their target weight will be. So this person would be performing 260 pounds or 118 kilograms for 3 reps. All they would see on their phone is the actual weight itself that they're supposed to perform. Here we can see this applied to multiple sets. And as you make a workout every week, you might be increasing the percentage. So it's important every now and then to check in to make sure things aren't getting out of control. As, for example, 5 reps at 88% is starting to get a little rough. So your experienced coach and I would realize that. Another option is a % of body weight. This is useful for conditioning exercises or exercises with higher reps. If they were to bench press 10 reps with 100% of their body weight, this individual would be using 227 pounds. And of course, we could change that to anything and then see the weight that they would see in their app on their phone. You might want someone to perform 75% of their body weight for as many reps as they can, and that's usually represented by just the 1 in the rep category, as most people would understand that this would be a bit light for someone who has a estimated maximum of 350 pounds. Finally, we have the modifier column. The modifier column is for common modifications to a typical exercise. For example, bench press, people often will use chains, which is already an option in the modifier column. So you can simply select how you're changing the exercise. Modifiers will be explained in more detail in a different video. It's important to remember that these are just options, and you don't have to use all of them every workout you make. That's why the system is designed with many different variables and options, so you can create the kind of workouts that you want.